Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sparky here. In this video it's gonna be a really short video and it's gonna just me driving this truck right there for a couple miles, I guess, or couple kilometer, not even. It's like it's a 5-minute drive from like the dock behind me to back to the warehouse. And I'm just gonna show you me driving a POV option of this truck. It's a 389 2024 with the new dash and everything, and I really enjoyed it. Right now I don't have a trailer, but on the second clip after that I have a trailer. I love this truck because that truck is my dream truck, so I would like to own one, but not a 389. Probably, depending on the price, I could get a 389, but I prefer the 379 with the old dash where the two gauge are like separate and not on the middle. And yeah, I really enjoy this truck, driving this truck. The view on the inside is amazing. The hood, the fact that you can see the front of the hood is amazing. The noise coming from the intake and the exhaust noise is coming from the stack. It's amazing truck. I loved it. Since American truck and Euro truck with Viper 379, 389 mod, I keep driving this truck, and because of that, that's my dream truck. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the video, subscribe and comment, because if you don't, that's how you don't support my channel. And if you do, well, it's gonna bring the video up and grow up my channel. Like, I hope you like it. I will give you more video as soon as I get a new manual, because I have an automated truck. You can probably see it in the background. It's a 579 2020 and it's a automated 12 speed, which is okay, but I prefer manual. This one is 18 speed. I don't know what the gear ratio. I think it has a Cummins inside of it because it does not sound like a puck car, and it's built for flatbed. But yeah, I hope you see you in the next video. Bye guys.